Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to install DIVI theme in WordPress free. So all you have to do is to go to your Google web browser and type this one here, download DIVI theme. But you have to add another word here which is cam code so that it would be easy for you or easier for you to look for the link. Okay, so as you can see, we have here some options, but you have to click this one. Okay, and kindly click also download. Okay, click this red button here that says download. So once you click download, you can see the file here. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes. It depends on how strong your internet is. So this is what it looks like. Actually, you can also click show in folder so that you can see the progress of this one. Okay, now you can go back to your WordPress and all you have to do is to scroll down and look for plugins or appearance, okay? And then click themes. Now, once you're here, you just have to click this install theme, okay, here. And you just have to upload the file, or you can just drag the file from the local file or desktop and then drag it here. But as you can see, I can't do that because I am currently using the basic or the free plan. So if you are using WordPress and you are not under free or basic plan, you just have to drag that file here and you can start using that theme. Okay, so in order to see that, you can click this publish. You can start writing, okay? And then, so if you start writing a page or anything here, and you can see that option themes, or you can use the theme once you make a or once you publish a site or something like that. So let's pretend or let's just think that I have the Divi theme here. So all I have to do is to apply that or to use that. And in order for me to see the result of the theme, all I have to do is to click this view post and I can see the result here. I can see the DB theme here. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install DB theme in WordPress free. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.